Welcome to the final instalment of WSX-19. So far on our journey, we've travelled over 200 miles and across 6 Maldivian atolls in search of marine megafauna. We're currently anchored in the lagoon of our home island, Digara, in South Ari Atoll. This area is famous for its whale shark population, so with a little luck, we'll have an encounter or two in the next couple of days. After being away for a week, it's nice seeing the island again, even if it is just from a distance. As well as conducting research on megafauna, we're also collecting environmental data, such as water temperature, wind speed, and using this special piece of tech here, we're able to calculate current speed and even reef depth. We're lucky enough to have this on loan from our friends at Vailport, and we're using it to gather temperature readings at different water depths along the marine protected area here in South Ari. Using this data, we can gain valuable insights into the thermoregulation behaviours of the whale sharks in the area. Each day, we spend some of our downtime in between dives collating the data we've collected. Environmental and whale shark data goes straight into our database, while any data we collect on turtles is sent to the Olive Ridley project, and our colleagues at the Manta Trust receive any information we collect on manta rays. While we work on the numbers, our amazing dive guys are busy preparing in-depth analyses of the upcoming dives for the day. The weather isn't looking great at the moment, but hopefully this doesn't scare away the whale sharks.
Hey!
Many whale sharks, right? This week.
Let's go. Okay guys, let's go.
I've been in your waters. For sure. I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other.
So this is it. We've reached the final night of this incredible expedition, and what better way to sign off than with a night dive? But not just any night dive, this is going to be something extra special. We're in Maya Lagoon in North Ari Atoll, and we've attached a spotlight to the rear of the boat to attract plankton. This huge ball of microorganisms should attract the local manta rays to come by for an easy meal. As well as providing food for hungry mantas, this will also give us the chance to examine the different species of plankton present in the water here. Plankton are an incredibly diverse group of organisms that make up a vital part of the marine food chain. And with almost 10,000 different species, we've got our work cut out for us trying to identify which ones we've got under the microscope here. While small in size, plankton are the primary food source for the largest fish in the world, as well as reef manta rays and countless other marine species.
It's like a spider.
Whoa! Oh my gosh!
There are already a couple of these marine phantoms circling the ship, and tonight we're hoping to witness one of the world's most majestic and elegant spectacles. Just got out from snorkeling with these mantas down here, literally by our feet. It's incredible. There's like 6 down there, just feeding, barrel feeding, bottom feeders.
It's not even feeding. Oh, look at this week.
You'll see the footage in this, it's incredible. Pretty massive trainers. There's one down there that's over 3 meters long probably.
Yeah, and I'm also eating.
Yeah, that's what
Not
we
really,
do
but-
multiple times. Yeah, cool. This is probably one of my favorite experiences. It sucks that I couldn't free dive because we've just done the scuba dive, but definitely one of the highlights of this trip for sure, and of being in the water in general. But it's pretty late, so we're going to keep watching the Manta for a little bit and then help us sleep.
Make sure you free dive this one for the next trip.
Yeah, alright. Next time I'm definitely going to bring a light and I'm going to be able to free dive this. Catch you guys in a bit. Here we are, back where we started 10 days ago in Hulumale Harbour. It has been an incredible journey and we've seen and learned so much. Our group set out in search of finding marine megafauna in areas where they had not previously been found or studied, and we have done just that. As well as ridding the reef of human pollutants during our expedition, we have found new individuals to add to both the Olive Ridley Turtle Database and the Manta Trust Manta Ray Database. We have seen some incredible wildlife during these 10 days, from turtles and mantas to dolphins and even whales. And while the whale shark that we encountered may have been one that was already known to us, it was no less of a special encounter. This expedition has been nothing short of spectacular, and we must say a massive thank you to our hosts, the EcoPro divers. They do a fantastic job providing an ecologically friendly diving experience. You won't regret booking your diving trip with them. We have made amazing new friends during this journey, and together we have shared in experiences that will last a lifetime. While we may be parting ways now, I'm sure that this isn't the last time that we'll be sharing the water together. I hope you've enjoyed following us on this adventure. Make sure to check out the EcoPro divers and to follow the Maldives Whale Shark Research Program and their amazing work. Who knows, maybe we'll see you on the next whale shark expedition.
Yeah.